Welcome, you're watching the opening action of markets on Money9 with me, Sakshi Batra. Let's quickly have a look at how the markets have opened this morning and how are they trading in the initial 5 minutes. Now, if you see, we've had a definite slight bit of gap up in the morning, opening tick or the first tick. Now, when you see there is a slight bias on the positive side that you can see the benchmark indices trading with 0.03% uptick for the Sensex. It's above 50,378. That's the level at which it is trading in the early minutes, as well as the Nifty 50. It has opened with just a minor positive gain of about 10 points, 14,920 for the Nifty 50 there, but it is still below the 15,000 mark. We'll just have to see how the markets will pan out through the entire trading session. What's under pressure? It's the Nifty Bank. Clearly, it is still trading below the 35,000 mark, 57 points of a loss. That's just a loss of about 0.2%. Also 34,746. That's the level at which the Nifty Bank is trading at currently. What's outperforming? It's the small cap index today. BSE small cap index is up about 93 or 83 odd points in the early few minutes. 0.5% uptick for this index. 21,246 is the level at which it is trading at currently, with just 0.10% of gains for the BSE mid-cap index as well. Moving on to the sectors and how they're moving. So there's a clear division between the red and the green. Still, the green is outpacing the red right now. What's outperforming right now? It's the IT stocks that are still holding up tight and holding the fort for the markets right now. 0.5% gain even for the realty index. The FMCG index is moving higher as well, with 0.3% of gains. What's clearly under pressure is just the banks and the financial space. Also, the metal space have been losing some bit of sheen right in the early trade as well. But, most of the underperformance is coming in from the private banking space. We'll just have to move on to see, which are the banking stocks that are not performing at this point in time. But autos, FMCG, IT, that's performing right now. Pharma, little healthy gains, and the realty stocks are also performing in trade right now. Next up is the Nifty gainers. So what's performing from the infra space? It's the L&T counter with 1.5% gains. ITC, Tech Mahindra, GAIL, and HDFC Bank. Those are the 5 counters that are moving up the Nifty index right in the early few minutes. The losers include names such as BPCL. Remember, we had told you that BPCL will be in action today, and that's because of the interim dividend that it has announced, although it's positive news. But the investors are looking forward to higher dividend announcements even in the days and the months to follow as well. So that's really clearly putting some bit of pressure on the BPCL counter. Asian Paints, Kotak Mahindra Bank, ONGC, and Intalco, these are the other losers at this point in time. 1.5% loss for this one as well. Now, these are the 4 key major indications that you're getting in early trade. The market breadth is still fairly, if you see, divided between the red and the green. But we'll just clearly have to see how the markets pan out. Whole lot of factors will be important for the markets to track. And we'll just have to see towards the second half if there is any short covering that may help the bull rally to continue or not. Lots of factors, even internationally, going to be putting some bit of pressure on the Indian markets today. So we'll keep a watch on that one as well. So that's as far as the update is concerned. Do join us on our next show, that is First Take, wherein the technical experts will help you understand what kind of strategies will be best for you to follow on a day like today. Stay tuned with us on Money9.